guys, Crystal back again with the biscuit taste test. I want to tell you, no 20 minutes on that one. That one was only about 8-minute cooking time for these biscuits. Look how beautiful that biscuit came out. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Got a little butter to put on it. Might want to put maybe a little egg, bacon. Layer it up. I'm just going to taste it. Just with a little butter. Butter makes everything taste better. Oh my gosh, yes. Absolutely. Must. You must try this one. It is so good. This is going to be a staple. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to go eat some breakfast, have a little coffee, get my morning started. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Hopefully, I'll be back later with a keto cocktail or something fun. See you guys soon. Thanks so much. Again, please like and subscribe to my video. Bye, guys.